Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura and a Micro 5 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because whenever you turn on this machine you had this symbol right here on the pre-ground symbol. Let me see if I can put it up. That symbol on the whole time. As soon as you plug it in you had that, and you had to wait like 10 minutes for the whole thing to boot up and you to be able to do coffee. So the problem with this was that the sensor that is located right underneath here was not responding, and it was thinking that the pre-ground cover was completely off, while in reality it was on. So we had to replace the sensor that is located right underneath here on these panels, exactly in this position, rerouted from all the way here. And yeah, it was really difficult to get. It was really difficult to get because you need to remove this one. There's a couple of screws over here. You need to also lift up the entire panel over here on this side. So it's a little laborious to get in there, but thankfully we replaced it. And we also, since we had the machine already open, we also deep clean the brew unit, the ones that are located inside the machine. And as well, in order for you to get that brew unit out, you need to come from the back, remove one screw, pull them down, remove this screw, and then slowly find the tabs around here and then push all this way to this side. So it's a little bit hard to get in there as well. So we deep clean everything inside, replace all the O-rings of the brew unit, relubricate it, put it back together, descale the machine, as well as to cleaning cycles on the machine on both of the spouts, the dual one as well as the single one. This is the older sensor, the one that was faulty of the machine, and the one that is located right here. So yeah, that's what we did on this espresso machine. So starting with one single shot of espresso, I'm going to be using this side of the spouts, as the other two creates double shot. But then let's do a double shot. That way we can use these spouts on this shot, and the next one we can just flip it and use this, the only one. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. I didn't pick the espresso option, so I picked the much longer option. I'm gonna cut it before it actually dispenses more than 3 ounces of liquid. And now we can flip it out and see how the other spout performs. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working excellent. Great color of coffee coming out of the machine, and excellent crema as well on the top. So there you have it, Jura and a Micro 5 not having that error and ready to brew. So thank you so much for replying on Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.